Finally, former U.S. Vice President Joe Biden has announced that he is one of the presidential candidates of the United States' upcoming election. After months of reflection, Joe Biden was set to launch his presidential bid Thursday, positioning the veteran Democrat as a front-runner among the many candidates seeking to challenge Donald Trump in 2020. The party's 76-year-old senior statesman, whose announcement was expected to arrive via online video post, would become the most experienced and recognized Democrat in the race. A popular former vice president dominating early polls following months, even years of campaign planning. Biden, whose working class appeal remains intact despite nearly half a century in Washington politics, is seen as a converting known quantity for American voters who will be vetting some 20 Democrats now officially in the presidential field.